Healthy Forever presents. Start eating oats every day and see what happens to your body. Oats contain unique nutrients, including the soluble fiber beta-glucan and an important antioxidant with a long name avenanthramides. There are benefits to eating oats every day, including lower blood sugar, lower cholesterol, reduction in constipation, and protection against irritated skin. Oats are very good for us and should be eaten regularly for better health. Some people who eat oats all their lives contribute to eating them to living longer, possibly because the oat content allows a higher nutrient intake. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Eating oats. In a cold climate, oats are more sustaining than plain cereal that often contains sugar, and a bowl of cooked oats with milk and honey for breakfast will keep you powering along until lunch. Harvard University says that the beta-glucan contained in oats is a source of soluble fiber and can help those trying to lose weight, as long as it is not overconsumed. The original rolled oats that many of us ate as children have been steamed, rolled and flattened, dried out to remove moisture so that they will keep on your pantry shelf. The beta-glucan contained in the oats helps to slow the digestive process and works to suppress appetite. It also combines with cholesterol to eliminate it from the digestive system, leading to lower cholesterol. The phytoestrogens, or plant sterols, contained in the whole oat have an anti-inflammatory effect and will reduce chronic inflammation. Your body, oats may control weight. Oats are also associated with heart health and a lower risk of heart disease when unprocessed oats are eaten every day. In diabetic patients, beta-glucan fiber may help to prevent blood sugar spiking after eating. Fiber is important to digestive health in preventing constipation, and oats can increase the biodiversity of the bacteria found in the gut. More research is required to discover if this is a good thing or not. Oats can be savory. Oats are gluten-free, so are fine for people with gluten intolerance. Although oats are usually added to sweet foods, they can also be savory and can be mixed with last night's leftover vegetables with an egg on top for a different breakfast. Often we think of oats as a winter food, but in reality, they can be eaten all year round to gain health benefits. Your body will benefit from eating oats. What many of us need to do is to go back to eating more whole foods, as less processed food is good for us, making oats perfect for so many dishes. Start your health regime today, and your body will thank you. Oatmeal needn't be plain and boring, and you can vary your breakfast with different ways of preparing it. To start with, one person only needs 1 cup of oatmeal, as more is excessive. You can vary your oatmeal by making it with either dairy or non-dairy milk. Eating oats is great for children. Add some fruit to their servings. And if they start having it young, they won't want to eat sweet cereals later in life. You will know that everyone has had a nourishing breakfast. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.